If you're looking for a way to provide a more convenient and secure experience for your tenants, then it's time for you to consider Nokē One Smart Locks. Nokē One is the latest innovation in the award-winning line of Nokē Smart Entry products from Janus. These all-in-one on-door smart locks are the industry's leading and fastest-growing smart security product because of all the exciting new features. Like wayfinding tools, so tenants can locate their unit from the mobile app. Thermal motion sensors and motion notifications. Smart camera and thermostat integrations. Gates and units that open automatically for tenants with the One Touch feature. And so much more. Plus, more than 500,000 tenant users worldwide have made the Nokē Smart Entry mobile app the highest-rated app in self-storage. These groundbreaking smart locks take mere minutes to retrofit. And for new construction projects or door replacements, Nokē One can even ship on the Janus door, saving you time and money on installation. So, if you're looking for the highest rated, most installed, most downloaded, most innovative, and most secure solution for your facility, then it's time to consider Nokē One from Janus.